Since the last explosion didn't work with the volcano, well, today we're gonna use Sprite, Pepsi, and Fanta, and see which one explodes the biggest, with 1, 2, and 3 Mentos in there.
And I'm gonna put the Mentos in.
We're gonna start with 1 Mento. Let's see how it works. We're gonna start with Sprite too.
It's already kind of exploding, Thomas.
That didn't work that good.
Put a lot in there.
Okay, now we're gonna go with 2 Mentos. What? Two Mentos? Okay, let's see how 2 Mentos work. I think the trick is the longer you pour it in there, the faster it'll go.
Hey,